Hello from Bynext, your partner to create direct-to-consumer conversational commerce channel on WhatsApp. Merchants who register on Bynext product get access to admin portal. And within the admin portal, now we have added another feature to help the merchants with the WhatsApp marketing. Today we shall discuss how you can access this portal from your admin credential and send seasonal events and promotional messages on WhatsApp to your loyal customer base. So let us start. So here are the details which we need to fill for sending the particular marketing messages to the customer. And on the right side there will be a preview how the message will reflect to the customer WhatsApp. So let's start. So first details which we need to enter here is campaign name. Let's suppose a merchant wants to send marketing message for Diwali festive season, so he can select the campaign name as Diwali festive season. The next details is templates. So there will be a predefined templates for each merchant, so it will reflect here as it is reflecting only one, that is MB Sale DT. So we will select that particular templates. Now the details comes. Select document to send. Here we need to choose the document, either image or PDF, which we need to send to the customer via WhatsApp. So now you can see on the right side of the landing page, it is showing the preview how the message will reflect on customer WhatsApp. So here are the parameters 1, 2, 3. These are the variable which can be changed. Other than that, the message will remain the same. Only these three parameters can be changed. So I can enter the parameters like this, and the second parameter would be exciting offers on 3000 plus items. And the third parameter, here we can see the app link, so I'm mentioning a test app link. And then the URL on which a merchant wants to redirect to the customer. Let's suppose if we are taking an example of Modern Bazaar, so Modern Bazaar wants to redirect their customer to their website. So here we can enter the URL of the particular website. So now we can see the preview of the message, how it will reflect on the customer WhatsApp. There will be a PDF and there will be a message, and below that there will be a shop action button by which customer can be redirected to the particular website. Now we have to select the contact numbers of the customer to which we have to send the messages. Either we can send manually by typing a particular number of the customer, or if we have to send the bulk messages, then we can copy paste the entire data from the Excel and we can paste over here. If we want to send the message in bulk like 1000, so we can do that also. We just have to copy the entire number from Excel and we can paste over here. So the message will go to these 1000 numbers to the customers, or we can enter manually also. The next details we need to enter is send time. Either we want to send right away, or we can schedule the timing also by choosing a particular time slot. Then we can click on the send message button. This message will go to the particular customers. So this is how we can send a marketing messages to the customer via WhatsApp. And if we want to check the status of the message, whether the message has been delivered or not, we can do that also. Below this page there is a report stating contact number of the customer, campaign we have select, the template which we have sent and which we have created on, and what we have sent on at particular time. And the status will be shown over here, whether it is delivered or not. So by using this marketing portal, a merchant can easily send a marketing message in bulk to their customer to engage the activity of the customer and to drive the traffic on their particular website also. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.